The Messenger of Allah said, "A Muslim is the brother of another Muslim. He does not oppress him, nor does he abandon him. Whoever fulfills the needs of his brother, Allah will fulfill his needs. Whoever relieves a Muslim of a hardship, Allah will relieve him of a hardship on the Day of Judgment." Translation: Every Muslim is tied to another Muslim as a brother. He neither harms him nor leaves him helpless. When a believer helps his brother, Allah helps him in return. And when he eases his brother's difficulty, Allah eases his difficulties in the hereafter. Brief tafsir explanation. This hadith beautifully defines Islamic brotherhood as care, protection, and support. Brotherhood in Islam is not just emotionite, is practical, helping others, standing against injustice, and being present in hardship are acts beloved to Allah. The reward is not only in this world but multiplied in the act, where every hardship removed becomes a means of salvation.